हेलो स्टूडेंट, तो कैसे हैं आप सब। तो आज के इस वीडियो में हम डिस्कस करने वाले हैं क्वेश्चन रिलेटेड टू एग्रीकल्चर. Agriculture is important at the perspective of geography as well as the economy also. So today we are going to focus on the economy perspective of the agriculture. Agriculture से किस किस तरीके के क्वेश्चन आए हैं एंड क्या क्या PYQs पूछे गए हैं, what are the major theme related to the agriculture we are going to discuss today. तो in this video we are going to discuss the thematic question related to the agriculture and इस सीरीज में हम क्या कर रहे हैं, we are specifically focus on the 45 years of the thematic questions जो आप जाके अटेम्प्ट कर सकते हैं Edukemy portals पे भी, theme wise, topic wise, these are available. You can attempt the same on the Edukemy portal and also you can download the notes related to these topics from the given link in the descriptions. ओके आपको एग्रीकल्चर के नोट्स मिल जाएंगे, आपको क्वेश्चंस मिल जाएंगे, आप एग्रीकल्चर पढ़ें, उसको अटेम्प्ट करें ऑन द सेम पोर्टल, तो आपको पता लगेगा एग्जैक्टली व्हाट्स द डिमांड ऑफ द पेपर एंड आप क्या पढ़ रहे हैं और क्या मिस कर रहे हैं. दैट्स बिकम अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट क्राइटेरिया टू क्वालिफाई दिस एग्जामिनेशन. what you are reading and what's the expectation of the examiner from you. That's a mismatch होता है तो आप out हो. You need to match these things, demands and the supply. That's a game of economy also. If we are having demand, then we need to improve the supply through the different kind of factors. If we are having the high supply, we are not having the demand, so we need to create the demand through the different factors. The same happen in the examination hand to hand. What you are reading and what they are asking, it should be matched in the some context. तो वो मैच हो जाना चाहिए. तो इस सीरीज के थ्रू आप फायदा उठा सकते हैं. You can attempt the question here. Now let's start. Today we are going to discuss the Indian agriculture economy and this is the part 1 of this unit. इसे पहला पार्ट है. We are going to come with the second video as well. इस सीरीज में हमने बहुत सारे वीडियोस कवर करे हैं, साइंस एंड टेक्नोलॉजी, पॉलिटी, ज्योग्राफी. नाउ वी आर कवरिंग द हिस्ट्री, इकोनॉमी एंड द एनवायरनमेंट. तो यू कैन सी ऑल दीज वीडियो ऑन द एडुकेमी एनवायरनमेंट एडुकेमी चैनल. आप जाके देखें उसको और मैक्सिमम बेनिफिट उठाएं. आप सारे क्वेश्चन को अटेम्प्ट करें, उनके नोट्स डाउनलोड करें एंड दिस सीरीज कैन बी अ गेम चेंजर इन द योर प्रीलिम्स. आप इजीली क्वालिफाई कर सकते हैं प्रीलिम्स एग्जामिनेशन को. Okay, now let's come to the question number 1. The question number 1, it was asked in the year 2023 and the question is about the small farmer large field. And it was considered as one of the difficult question in 2023. But if I'm breaking this word, the small farmers large field means various farmers come together and they join their lands. Farmers are small, but they join their land. So it's become a large field so that their efficiency increase, their production increase, their optimum level of the land increase. So we can say here many marginal farmers in the area organize themselves into groups and synchronize and harmonize selected agriculture operations. तो बहुत सारे farmers एक साथ आते हैं, सारे एग्रीकल्चर ऑपरेशंस को एक साथ करते हैं, अपने लैंड को एक साथ लेके आते हैं, सो दे कैन प्रोड्यूस द मोर थिंग. सो दिस वाज द बी आंसर. सो एट द टाइम द क्वेश्चन वाज कंसीडर्ड मच डिफिकल्ट, बट इफ यू लर्न हाउ टू ब्रेक द क्वेश्चंस, हाउ टू ब्रेक द कीवर्ड्स, यू कैन आंसर द राइट आंसर. नाउ लेट्स कम टू द क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. The question number 2 is related to consider the following. How many of the statements given above are correct? How many statements? Okay. The government of India provide minimum support price for Niger. Yes, Niger is known as the Kala Til. It is known as the Kala Til. Til दो तरीके के होते हैं. One is the white and another is the black. So this is the black Niger seed and this is in Hindi it is known as the Kala Til. Yes, the government is providing the MSP on it. Is it cultivated as a kharif crop? Yes. And some tribal in the people, Niger seed soil for cooking. Yes, all the three. अगर आप यहाँ देखेंगे, this you can consider as a right statement. In all over India, any or a tribe, कुछ ना कुछ tribes तो ऐसी होंगी जो इस oil को use कर रही होंगी. So you can mark the statement 3 जहाँ पे सबसे ज़्यादा issue होता है. So the answer of this question will be C. The answer is C here. Now let's move to the next question. Question number 3. Before going to question number 3, we are launching a prelim support program. The batch 2 will be starting on the 11th of January after the huge success of the batch 1 which was started on the 9th of December. Now we are launching a second batch. तो आप इसको join कर सकते हैं. These are the components of the batch. As well as we in the last prelims more than 45% of the Edukemy students qualified the prelims, as well as the more than 50% of the question directly appeared into the examination. आप इसका proof भी देख सकते हैं on the Edukemy YouTube channel under the series Direct Hit. Okay, so now let's move to the next question. The public investment like the making of the mandis, e-name का बनाना, national agriculture market as a public investment by the government of India. Now let's see the option. fixing minimum support price for agriculture produce. This is not an public investment, it's a policy. It's a mainly the providing the amount money to the farmer at a particular price. That's a minimum support price कि हम आपको इतना particular price देंगे after the produce. लेकिन ये कोई भी ऐसा इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर डेवलप नहीं कर रहा है, इट्स इज आफ्टर द प्रोडक्शन. इसमें कोई भी इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर डेवलप नहीं हो रहा है, सो द वन इज नॉट करेक्ट. इफ वी आर कमिंग डायरेक्टली टू द ऑप्शन, I can eliminate the option number A, option number B and option number D, and I can mark the option C is the right answer. So आपको एक option भी आता है तो you can directly go to the answer and you can eliminate the other options as well. So the answer of this question will be C here. Now let's move to the next question. Next question is about the which of the following factors policies were affecting the price of the rice in India. राइस का प्राइस किस किस वजह से अफेक्ट होता है इंडिया में, उसके क्या क्या कारण हो सकते हैं. The one, minimum support price. Yes, if the government is providing the high minimum support price, the price of the rice is going to be increased. So first option is right, so I can eliminate the option number C. Government trading. Yes, ई-नैम पोर्टल पे गवर्नमेंट ट्रेड कर रहा है, गवर्नमेंट ने एक्सपोर्ट पॉलिसी को चेंज किया है, एक्सपोर्ट प्राइसेस को बढ़ा दिया है, तो द ट्रेडर्स विल सेल ऑल द राइस टू द फॉरेन कंट्री. इन दैट केस द एक्सपोर्ट विल बी इंक्रीज. एक्सपोर्ट इंक्रीज होगा तो इंडिया में प्राइसेस बढ़ना शुरू हो जाएंगे. सो द सेकंड ऑप्शन इज आल्सो करेक्ट. द सेकंड, सो आई कैन एलिमिनेट द ऑप्शन नंबर बी. गवर्नमेंट स्टॉक पाइलिंग. गवर्नमेंट अगर ज्यादा स्टॉक रखना शुरू कर देगी तो मार्केट में सप्लाई कम होना शुरू हो जाता है. मार्केट में सप्लाई कम होना शुरू होगी तो डिमांड ज्यादा हो रही है. डिमांड ज्यादा हो रही है तो प्राइस बढ़ना शुरू होगा, इन्फ्लेशन होना शुरू होगा. So the third is also correct. So I can say third is here. So 1, 2, 3 एक ही option में आ रहे हैं. Option number D means the fourth is the automatically included here. Consumer subsidy. If the government is going to decrease the consumer subsidy, that also going to affect the price of the rice in the market. So the answer of this question will be D. Now let's move to the next one. Consider the following statements. In the case of the cereals, pulses and oil seeds, the procurement MSP is unlimited. Here's a word given, unlimited. It cannot be, it never will be. It is not unlimited. There is a fixed quantity till which amount the government will buy, and it's a limit with the government also. They are having the limited storage capacity. तो आप यहाँ पे अपना logical reasoning लगा के भी इसको solve कर सकते हैं कि unlimited कैसे हो सकता है. So the one is not correct. In case of the cereals and pulses, MSP is fixed in states at a level which marketplace will never rise. No, it's a wrong statement. So the answer of this question will be D, neither one nor two. आप सोच सकते हैं कि ऐसे कैसे फिक्स किया जा सकता है उसके बाद कभी बढ़े ही ना. It is not a possibility here. So the answer of this question will be D. Fifth is D. Now let's move to the next one. The economic cost of the food grains to the Food Corporation of India is minimum spot price and bonus paid by the farmer. It was like a difficult question in the 2019 कि क्या क्या दिया जाता है, but the UPSC released the answer कि this is the procurement incidental cost and the distributional cost which are added up here. उसके बाद states को दिया जाता है. So the answer of this question will be C here. तो ये फैक्चुअल इंफॉर्मेशन है. ये फैक्चुअल इंफॉर्मेशन जब आप डिटेल में पढ़ते हैं तो वहां पे आपको मार्क करके रखना होता है कि विच काइंड ऑफ द एक्स्ट्रा कॉस्ट द गवर्नमेंट इज गिविंग. इकोनॉमिक कॉस्ट ऑफ फूड ग्रेन्स टू फूड कॉर्पोरेशन एंड बोनस इट पेड टू द फार्मर. प्लस क्या क्या होता है जो फार्मर्स को दिया जाएगा वो पैसे तो है ही है, इसके अलावा क्या एक्स्ट्रा कॉस्ट होता है. प्रोक्योरमेंट इंसिडेंस कि उसको प्रोक्योर कर रहे हैं, उसको डिस्ट्रीब्यूट कर रहे हैं, दैट इज द एक्स्ट्रा कॉस्ट हियर. नाउ लेट्स मूव टू द क्वेश्चन नंबर 7. अमंग द एग्रीकल्चर कमोडिटी इंपोर्टेड बाय द इंडिया व्हिच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग अकाउंट्स फॉर द हाईएस्ट इंपोर्ट्स. इन द लास्ट 5 years हम देख सकते हैं कि हाईएस्ट इंपोर्ट्स जो एग्रीकल्चर कमोडिटी में है वो स्पेसिफिकली ऑयल है. Oil is the largest imported one. So we can say the vegetable oils which we are importing heavily. क्योंकि the consumption of the vegetable oil is very high in India and we are importing that. The national mission on the oil production was started by the government earlier to decrease the dependency for the oil imports. तो इसीलिए वो यूज हुआ. Now let's come to the next question. The next question is by the NSSO 17th round situation assessment survey of the agricultural household. Consider the following statements. Agricultural household, let's read the statements. Rajasthan has the highest percentage share of the agricultural household among the rural household. Okay, it's a very factual. राजस्थान में है और राजस्थान में भी रूरल हाउसहोल्ड में. हाउ डू यू नो? Until and unless आपने सर्विस नहीं पढ़ा, NSSO का डेटा नहीं पढ़ा है. आउट ऑफ द टोटल एग्रीकल्चर हाउसहोल्ड इन द कंट्री अ लिटिल ओवर 60% बिलोंग टू द OBC. इट्स अ रॉन्ग स्टेटमेंट. ये एब्सर्ड भी है कि 60% ओबीसी कैसे हो सकते हैं एग्रीकल्चर में, जब पूरा पॉपुलेशन का ही 50% से कम है। तो इट्स ऑलमोस्ट द 45% ओबीसी हैं related to the those who are participate in the agriculture. So if you know, if you make a logic here, अगर आप अपना logic सही से लगा लेते हो second statement पे, then you can come directly here. 2 can be eliminated from here, and from here, and you can mark option number C is right. Means only the one statement is required, and you can mark reached up to the answer. But the pattern change in 2023, but they now again introduce the same pattern. You can eliminate some of the question in the CSC Prelims. Now let's move to the question number 9. Consider the following. The Cabinet Committee Economic Affairs has announced the minimum spot price. Coffee के लिए तो मिलता ही नहीं है, so you can directly come to the coffee here. 3. No minimum spot price, so 3 I can eliminate here. I can eliminate here also. So the answer is B here. 2, 4, 5 and 6 it's the answer. So you can see किस तरीके से आप अगर अच्छा तरीके से सोच लेते हैं, cool mind से सोचते हैं, तो you can directly answer the question. इतना भी difficult level नहीं है. Now let's move to the 10. Before going to the next question, we are launching a CSAT batch that is going to start from the 21st of the December, and the first class is on 27th, so you can join the batch and I'm taking the classes. We are specifically focused on the PYQ, the change new pattern by the UPSC. क्या क्या नया पैटर्न इंट्रोड्यूस किया गया, क्या रिपीट हो रहे हैं क्वेश्चन, किस तरीके से रीडिंग कॉम्प्रिहेंशन को टैकल करना है, we are focusing on that. And specifically my idea is CSAT is a game of the question select. किस तरीके से क्वेश्चन को सिलेक्ट कर रहे हैं, क्या क्या चीजें आप कर रहे हैं, उसके बेसिस पे ही कंप्लीट गेम है, तो आप इसको ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं. दैट गोइंग टू स्टार्ट सून ऑन 21st ऑफ द दिसंबर. तो आप इसको ज्वाइन करें, इसका लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन में गिवन है. लेट्स मूव टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन आ रहा है एडवांटेज ऑफ द इंप्लीमेंटिंग National Agriculture Market Scheme. It is a pan-India electronic trade portal. Yes, it's a e-NAM, National Agriculture Market. It's a pan-India portal. It provides the farmer access to nationwide market. Yes, it provides the access to the nationwide market. So the answer is C here. e-NAM के बारे में बात हो रही है. You can read the detail in the e-NAM. After this question, there is a various improvement in the e-NAM. National Agriculture Market में बहुत सारे provisions आ गए हैं, तो आप उस पर भी focus करें. The answer is C here, both 1 and 2. Now let's come to the next question. In India, market in agriculture products are regulated under the Essential Commodity Agriculture Produce Market Acts, Agriculture Produce Food Product Acts. Agriculture Produce regulated under the Agriculture Produce Market Committee Acts enacted by the states. जितना भी produce है related under the markets by the Agriculture Produce Market Committee Act by the states. So the answer is B here. Now let's move to the question number 12. The fair and remunerated price FRP for the sugar cane approved by कौन करता है sugar cane के लिए FRP? That's the Cabinet Committee on Economic Affairs. That's approve the FRP sugar cane price के लिए करते हैं Cabinet Committee on the Economic Affairs. Now let's move to the next question. Which one of the following best describe the seed village concept? Seed village concept है क्या? So this is the basic information, factual information आपको पता होना चाहिए. Maybe you can leave one of the other question को थोड़ा difficult हो जाता है, or you can make some of the logic out of these 4 statements. The answer of this question is B. Involving the farmers for training in the quality seeds production and thereby to make available quality seeds to appropriate and affordable cost. Quality seeds, अच्छे seeds, कम पैसे में seeds provide कराना is the concept of the seed village concept. Now let's move to the next one. Which of the following grants direct credit assistance in the rural household, regional rural banks, National Bank for Agricultural Developments and the Land Development Banks? तो आपने देखा होगा कि इससे पहले भी मनी एंड बैंकिंग वाले में हमने बात करी थी कि डायरेक्ट क्रेडिट नाबार्ड प्रोवाइड नहीं करता है फार्मर्स को. नाबार्ड इज नॉट प्रोवाइडिंग डायरेक्ट क्रेडिट टू द फार्मर, सो वी कैन एलिमिनेट नाबार्ड हियर. सो द आंसर कैन बिकम 1 and 3. So you can see the repetition in the question. किसी ना किसी ऑप्शन में वो पूछा गया है पहले, फिर वहीं से सेम ऑप्शन को निकाल के यूपीएससी ने दोबारा पूछा है. So this is the kind of the analysis that required here, and we are doing the same thing in our prelim support program. तो आप उसको ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं, इसका लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन में है. So the answer of this question will be 1 and 3 C. So this is about the part 1 of the agriculture series. Now we are going to discuss the second series in the next video. Till then you can watch the another video here. Pro mentor tip in the agriculture section. Agriculture section you can focus on the government policy. You need to focus on the minimum support price. है क्या? Who is releasing the minimum support price and for how many crops it released? State policy related to the agriculture. क्या क्या policy हैं? Schemes related to the agriculture. What are the new scheme related to the agriculture in this context? क्या क्या नई schemes आई हैं? एग्रीकल्चर से रिलेटेड एनी न्यू टर्म्स लाइक द सीड विलेज कॉन्सेप्ट जो इंट्रोड्यूस किया गया वो भी आपको पता होना चाहिए. You should focus on the government policy related to the financing of the agriculture sector as well. Policy related to financing of the agriculture sectors and the technology in the agriculture. You should also focus on the technology in agriculture. So these are some of the topics you can focus on the agriculture when you are revising, when you are reading the agriculture for the prelims perspective. तो ये आपके लिए important हो जाता है. So we will meet in the next video with another video on the agriculture. Till then you can attempt the test, you can read the things, and you can also download the notes of the agriculture from the Edukemy portal. Okay, so we will meet in the next video soon. Thank you everyone.